Okay, let's go, guys. Testing my GoPro. The new GoPro that just came. Okay, that's gonna be another through refrigerator, not pulling it all. It's unplugged, actually they unplugged it. Has a coil. Yeah, looks like. Looks like someone replaced. I would think someone replaced compressor, but okay, let's plug it in and see what's up. Compressor was changed. Compressor is on. Some time. See how is the light going through. Coil is clean. Not as hot yet. Let's see how evaporator fan works. Now I can definitely feel air. I think it has a leak. Okay. Yeah, pretty sure it has a leak. So, compressor is running, but the pipes, the discharge line is not as hot as we usually see on these fridges. Plus the box is very hot. I would assume this line is supposed to be super hot. Suction line is not cold at all. Let's take our meter, leak detector, try to run it very quick. Maybe in one of these loops. Yeah, look guys, probably somewhere here. Okay, battery is 80% charged. We're on preheat right there. On the joint. Okay, we got this panel off. Oh, that doesn't look good. See the light over there? Okay. Let's do it. Let's do it. got a good pressure, looks like. Okay, hopefully it's not a restriction.
I spend like 25 a week. Like, let's say I decide to go to like San Diego or LA or something. I think $100 just right there. Like $100 like right there. That's rough.
Okay, what we're gonna do? Let's put the evaporator cover back and see what our pressure is gonna be like. Oh, let's spray this joint first. Okay. New plan. Put everything back. Start it up, see how our pressure, add a little bit. Okay, evaporator coil put together. Let's see what our pressures are. What now? Thermostat is off. Fan is on. I guess thermostat wire came off. Maybe it's just the thermostat. Okay, thermostat. Nothing, it's on coldest settings. See guys? Okay, let's check if there's any gas. Check TXCs and thermostats regarding the bulb. See if there is any pressure. Might be mechanically bad because of condition of it. There was a little bit of gas. Okay, that's what thermostat for now. Get our favorite thermostat. Renko, where are you? Are you here? Yeah, beautiful. Insert into the coil. Send some bulb. Ornament for it. So the foot will feel itself at home. Cozy environment in here in this fridge. Right? What's that? of stuff. Okay, we copy that. Slightly low. Gonna go very slow because this crap. Let's try to open it more. So we're gonna quote evaporator coil, and as we're gonna replace evap coil, we're gonna do this run right here. We're getting closer. That's not bad. So yeah, we're gonna quote them on a evap coil. I think we're good right there. Okay, the last thing to put everything back. Customer saying, oh, let me put cake in there. Sure. Why not? I'll wait till your cake is gonna get down in temps. One more time, I'm gonna close the gauges up. It's restarted itself. I know it's gonna work fine. For how long? I don't know. Yes, I will leave. I'm going to leave the piercing valves on it. You guys. I know that some people don't like them, but it's temporary until I get coil replaced. Watch out for electrical guys when you do that. I think we're good. We're gonna leave one right there. For the next guy, who's gonna be me. I don't see no bubbles on the valve. that's why. Okay, all done for now. Okay, check an invoice. Meter. Okay, just.
Украинского транзита.
Ага.
Помимо украинского условия.
Помимо украинского условия. He's saying. What the hell is he talking about? Okay, so a loan charge. I spoke to the owner, explained to them it's small leak, it's barely picking up anything, but everything looks bad on a copper wise situation. So he will keep an eye on it. I'm gonna write down part number. We might come back a couple months later to replace it. Explain to him I'm not gonna be able to do it at summer most likely, but hopefully it's gonna work through the summer, and then we're gonna do it next winter. So that was the service call. They've got thermostat change out as well, I guess. Nice. Oh, it's all these ones, huh? Produce, that's what it is? Yeah, produce. Nice. We'll need to replace this coil. For them. Let's get the model number out of it. It's right there. Need to relocate this AC. Not relocate, but remove from here. They're gonna do patio work. So we're gonna pump it down. Hopefully it's gonna work. All the way closed on the high side. That's how it's done. 5 minutes. You can do it, dude. You can. Don't feel like it.